Hello, welcome to Silvana Recommends. Hello, I'm Camilo. In the last few days, I have been with body discomfort, sore throat, and cough. I'm really worried. If I were you, I would go get tested for COVID. I like someone after a year without anyone interest me. He looked interested in me, but suddenly he stopped talking to me. If I were you, I would talk to him about it. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm so scared because my period is 2 weeks late. If I were you, I would take a pregnancy test. Hey, I'm Zach. In a few months, I will travel to France, but I'm very bad at French. If I were you, I would take a good French course as quickly as possible. I have been so sad and anxious lately. If I were you, I would tell my parents to take me to the psychologist. Hello, I'm Kyo. I'm very fat and I think that this is affecting my health. If I were you, I would do exercise and eat healthier. My name is John. I bought a new pet 2 weeks ago and it always urinates everywhere. If I were you, I would hire someone to train my dog. My cousin wants to do a big party soon. If I were you, I would advise her not to do it because there are many people infected by COVID. My sister have acne and always makes homemade masks. If I were you, I would go to the dermatologist to help my complexion improve. Sometimes my friend's boyfriend beats her. If I were you, I would break up with him and denounce him.